Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 2901.6 CDTI, 115, L2H1. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 157109. MOT, the 27th of April 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine is perfect, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 3 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,795 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.